Ayaw mo, okay lang rin. Pero nakita namin, kung gusto ninyong madalian, alam naman talaga ninyo, sagad na lang. Sagad na. Nasa inyo yan. If you give it, fine. If you don't, we take the longer route. Slowly. And tanggapin ko yung pagmumura ninyo. Huwag lang sa malapit. Eh, ganun talaga eh. You done it. It's an urgent and immediate situation. Solution. Gusto ninyo, madali, okay. Pag ayaw naman ninyo, because baka sabihin nyo, ang corruption na, hindi okay rin. I assure you. Wala ito sa script. I assure you. This will be a clean government. Wala na ako na. I said, if you can give me that document, I will urge you to conduct, to order, call for an election the following day, following week. And even if there's still 2 years, 3 years, I will go. Okay na ako. Do not worry about me. I am into that much ambition. Eh, nanalo ko. Hindi ko alam bakit nandito ngayon. Noon, nandoon lang ako. Totoo man. Eh, sino man nagsuporta sa inyo sa akin dito? Wala man. Not a single congressman. Except for two provinces, governor. Yun lang. Wala akong barangay captain. Wala lahat. Pero ngayon, hiwalay-hiwalay na tayo. Marami dyan sa gallery, marami dyan, walang trabaho, nag-a-apply hanggang ngayon. Hindi naman lahat kasi mayayaman yan eh. Mga asawa ninyo ata yan. Of motor vehicle plates at point of sale or through motor vehicle dealers shall be considered. Wag na sa LTO kaya hanggang ngayon, panahon pa ni Jesucristo yung first plate nila, hanggang ngayon wala. Ibigan ko, Tarag. Kaya wag ninyong gawin. Simple lang yan eh. Para walang away sa gobyerno, yung mga bagay na illegal at masama at hindi tama, wag mong gawin. At hindi kami mag-aaway dito. Luzon Railways and the Panay Railways Project. Tama? Panay. Eh, taga saan si ano? Di, Panay. Panay ang bigay natin para sabihin naman eh, Senator Delon, binakbait ka dito. Malagyan daw yung island mo ng train. May tawa pa. Binabakbait ka dito. Sumbong man yan. Tingnan mo yan. Bukano yan. Alam mo kung sino tiyatamaan yan? Kayong mayayaman. Kayong may mga helicopter pati aeroplano. Ilipat ko kayo. Alam mo yung general aviation, yung mga Learjets, sa mga kumpanya. Ilagay ko kayo sa Batanes para wala masyadong air traffic. No, I'm offering Sangli Point. Kasi kailangan ko isang runway. I can make a new runway there. Sabi ng mga aviation experts. Well, you have a rail to connect. Tapos na yan, itaas mo na kayo, gitagalog ko na. In the area of environment, the military is directed to intensify its makinig kayo kasi gitawa dyan. Support role against illegal logging, illegal mining. Diyan pa naman si Gina Lopez. And other destructive practices that aggravate the devastation of our natural resources. Bakit? Nandiyan ba si Ma'am Gina Lopez? Secretary Lopez? Ganito yan. Pumunta siya sa Davao. Gabi na mga 1 o'clock because on the early days of my when I won, but I was hindi pa ako nag-vote. Marami na napuntahan. Ito, felicitations, congratulations. Si Ma'am pumunta twice. Every time she shows me the degradation of ito na. Tapos, 2 oras naman, mukhang hindi na matapos, sabi ko, Ma'am. Ma'am, do not be offended. Totoo man, huwag kang magalit kay, it's the truth. So, mag-aalas 3 na, you Rudy, this man, tapos, extemporaneous na, parang rin congressman, ito, Ma'am. Ma'am, mag-aalas 4, Ma'am. Ano kaya kung ikaw na lang ang Dina? Bigla rin siya nagsagot ka, totoo ka? Si ka, hindi yun, oo. Siya, I will ask I'll consult my family and ask my, nila. Yes. Following day, tawag siya kay may 8 Kibong. Sino bong, okay na tinanggap na, sabi ng pamilya ko, okay na. Sabi ko, ay, bantay kayo lahat. But along this line, taas mo na. Mataas yung paragraph na yan. Ito. Select the best answer dito. Ang taas nito. Huh? Mabubuang ka. To better manage. Hirap maging presidente, maski dito lang. I know that you know. In 1521 or 1526, Magellan landed in Leyte. Tapos, kumari ko man ito. Salamat, Maria. When I want itong labor, wala na ito sa script. Yung prompter na tutulog na siguro, pindot-pindot yan. Alam mo, andyan naman yan. Belyo Isir, Bebot. Wala. Absinero talaga yan. Kasi sa cabinet absinero yan. Good computers. Taas mo na, wala na yan. Theoretical sites and depressed areas. Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi na nilagyan nila dyan eh. That's why I had to talk to you ganito. Bakit? It's because walang kurente pagka mahirap ka. We have to adjust to the needs of our people. Total yan naman yung we have to adjust to the needs of our people. Total yan naman yung and the Filipino, disciplined, informed, involved, shall rise from the rubbles of sorrow and pain, so that all the mirrors in the world will reflect the face of a passion that will change this land. Daghang salamat.